She once earned 2 rupees a day, scrubbing floors as a domestic servant at age 16. 20 years later, she ran a company worth 700 crore rupees. Kalpana was married off at 12 years old and moved to a Mumbai slum. The abuse was constant, and by 16, she had tried to end her life. Her uncle found her and brought her back from the edge. She returned to her father's house in Maharashtra with nothing, no money, no education, and a village that already saw her as a failure. Instead of waiting for pity, she took a job as a tailor for 2 rupees a day. It was almost nothing, but it was hers. She saved every rupee, moved to Mumbai, and took a government job as a nurse. Then she borrowed money to start a small furniture business, and it failed. In the 1990s, Kalpana discovered a sick company called Kamani Tubes, buried under 50 million rupees of debt and worker lawsuits. Everyone told her to walk away. She didn't. She fought through 14 years of legal battles to turn the company around, restructuring debt and rehiring the very workers others had discarded. Slowly, painfully, Kamani Tubes came back to life. Kalpana Saroj built the Kamani Group into a business empire valued at 700 crore rupees. In 2013, the Indian government awarded her the Padma Shri, one of the nation's highest civilian honors. They call her the Slumdog Millionaire, but she calls herself proof. Proof that where you start never decides where you finish. You don't need permission to begin. You need one small step you can take today and the refusal to quit when everyone tells you to. Follow for one true story every day.